Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear all presenter of International Conference of Elementary Education 2020. I'm Hayani Wulandari. I will present the result of my research. Okay. The title of my research is Multiple Intelligence of Early Children in Creative Dance. My team are Hayani Wulandari, Idat Mukodas, Giani Kawanti, and Dea Ardianti. We are from UPI Kampus Purwakarta. Introduction 1. Demands. Learning that requires only the cognitive aspect of children without paying attention to other aspects of development. 2. Intelligence. Various children intelligence need to be development, including creativity, so that children are trained in solving various problems. 3. Method. The learning methods used by the teacher are not yet attractive to early childhood. Research methods. Qualitative research with a case study approach in the depth study of a case in the implementation of creative dance learning by teachers in early childhood. Sampling technique. Purposive sampling. A kindergarten teacher in Purwakarta Regency who applies creative dance in early childhood with an age range of 5 and 6 years with creative dance stage based on the theory of research from the analysis of the hypothetical model Hayani Wulandari. Instruments. The data collection process was carried out by using observation, interview, and documentation technique which were analysis descriptively. Analysis procedure and data. 1. Collection of categories. 2. Direct interpretation. 3. Researcher form patterns and look for equivalence. 5. Research develop naturalist generalization based on analysis. Result. So that the teacher has implemented creative dance learning in early childhood by referring to the development of children. Multiple intelligence which include kinesthetic intelligence, musical intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and intrapersonal intelligence. The implementation of creative dance learning carried out by the teacher is adjusted to the daily activity formulation (RKA) that has been prepared previously and becomes a reference in learning activities. Addition to the preparation of RKA in creative dance learning, various stimuli were also carried out in the form of stories, pictures, and videos. Discussion. The formulation of daily activity RKA for learning creative dance is prepared by the teacher by referring to the 2030 curriculum guidelines and is adjusted to the basic competency of learning creative dance. Based on observation, the teacher has completed a daily activity plan RKA for learning creative dance in developing multiple intelligence in early childhood, which is used as reference for teacher in implementing creative dance learning, including determining themes and sub-themes, learning indicator, dance learning objective creative, learning materials, the media used for learning. determining time allocation, determining creative dance learning methods, and making assessment of creative dance learning outcomes. The process of learning creative dance is developing multiple intelligence in early childhood, which is applied by the teacher runs as conducive as usual. The process of learning creative dance does not only involve opening, core, and closing activity, but also involves teacher and their students as part of learning activities. In the implementation of learning, it was seen that the children were very enthusiastic in carrying out creative dance activity. The children seem to have achieved well the indicator of the assessment of kinesthetic intelligence that have been made by the teacher, namely that children can develop gross and fine motor skills, children can move, and children can develop dance movement based on the children's experience and stimuli provided by the teacher. Likewise, in the aspect of musical intelligence, it appears that children are able to move according to the rhythm of the music. Aspect of intrapersonal and interpersonal intelligence are also developing and are the goals of the application of creative dance learning carried out by teachers. During the implementation of creative dance learning activity, it can be said at the time of forming group that require children to be able to mingle with their group members so that indirectly it requires children to be able to adapt to their group. One children from each group is used as example for the other children in performing dance move. Intrapersonal and interpersonal intelligence is also developed in the presenting stage, where each child must be able to obey the rules to remain conditional and appreciating his friends who are presenting the dance work of each group. Finally, conclusion of the learning methods that are interesting and can be applied to early childhood is by learning creative dance. Creative dance is dance lesson the priorities children creativity based on the observation and experience. The formulation of daily activity RKA for learning creative dance is prepared by the teacher by referring to the 2013 curriculum guidance and is adjusted to be basic competition of learning creative dance with dance learning stages warming up, exploration, developing skills, creating, form, and presenting. Based on the activity carried out by the teacher with previously prepared RKA, it was seen that there was a match between the RKA and the implementation process and the assessment of the planned learning objective. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.